This is the Mola, and I'm here to show you how to use Pawn.App and how to set it up. So once you happen to click the link in the description section, of course you'll be required to punch in an email address. You create an account. So first and foremost, you need to sign up, okay? And then once you create an account, this is what you're gonna see. You need to edit your name, that is your username, and by so doing you will actually be awarded something. Okay, so you click where it reads and when you click here, you'll see some tasks right here. So if you have a referral code, you simply click there and you need to punch in my referral code, okay? And then if you want to earn, what you do is you click surveys. If there are surveys here, you need to click them so as to participate in them, and you'll be earning. Whatever you'll be earning will be shown up in the top right there where it reads 0.238 cents. So far I just created this account yesterday. And then apart from earn, you can also click quests. Okay, so you will see all these quests. So here they're saying complete a challenge. So I haven't completed any challenge so far. Then when you click the second task here, which is N, when you click there, you see this, the task will actually pop up. They're saying your opinion matters, rack up $4 just from completing service. You see how easy it is. And for you to withdraw money from here, the threshold is simply $5. Once you have $5 due, this is how easy it is to earn from here. So you click there, come on, it's loading. So they're saying there are no available service. Okay, I'm gonna click quests again, and then you see I clicked the second, and then here there's this other one where they're saying share 48 hours of internet. Me, I'm sharing, so far I've shared 31 hours of internet, right? Hence I've earned something. So the moment this bar goes to the far right, I will need to claim my earnings, okay? And then there's this one where you have to invite 5 friends, then complete 5 quests. You simply click here where it reads complete 5 quests, and saying finish 5 quests from the quests tab, okay? And you'll be able to claim. So they're saying this one here, I've completed it. They're saying start sharing internet, and I'm gonna click here where it reads claim reward. Then check in the top right, I have 33 points. Those 33 points can be used, and you end up earning dollars. So let me click claim here. You've seen that you've earned 2 points. Continue. You've seen that 33 has now changed to 35. And then you say here, they say invite 10 friends, and then there's a daily. You've done all quests today. You've seen that you've done all quests. Come back later for more. The monthly challenge is this one, which is at the bottom. So if you go on doing all these tasks, you'll be earning on a daily basis. Then you can click here where it reads community. So this is my referral code. That's the one you need to punch in, okay? That's the one you need to punch in. And you can follow them on their social media platforms by clicking YouTube, Discord, Instagram, so that you'll be getting updates. This one is legit. When you check out the number of people following them, you would actually shake your head and say, damn. Okay, so you click profile here so as to edit everything, okay? The profile survey, you need to answer these questions, and by just doing all those things, you earn. You understand? You earn. So right now, head on to the description section, click the link, and then copy the code. I'm gonna leave the code, the referral code. For using the referral code, it should be $1. So let's get grinding. I will be showing you how to withdraw once you happen to hit the threshold.